Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself. My name is Sri Suharti, but they call me Sri. I came from Indonesia. I was born in Magelang, August 4, 1972. Now I am is 53 years old. My religion is Muslim. My last education is junior high school. Then uh, my status now is a divorce. My height is 157, then my weight is 70 kilo. I have experience before in Taiwan and also in Hong Kong. When I was 2002 until 2004, I work in Taiwan. I have taken Gong Gong, then I do cooking, then I do cleaning the house, then also I go to market. After that, the second is I go to Hong Kong. I work in Tin Hau for from 2006 until 2008. I have take care one boy 5 years old. Then I do cooking for them. Then I go to market and I do cleaning the house also. Then the third is I work in Meifu. Uh, I take care Bobo for around 8 years. Then I do cooking for all of them, the family. Then also I do cleaning the house. Then also I go to market. I hope that is my experience, ma'am. I hope you take me to be your helper in your house. Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.